हेलो नमस्कार, खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about most important concept of business economics or managerial economics or microeconomics. Today topic is positive economics and normative economics. Positive economics and normative economics are two standard branch of modern economics. Positive economics describe and explain various economic phenomena, while normative economics focus on the value of economic fairness or what the economic should be. To put it simply, positive economics is called the what is branch of economics. Economics, on other hand, is considered the branch of economics that try to determine people desirably to different economic program and condition by asking what should be or what ought to be. Positive economics is a stream of economics that focuses on the descriptions, quantification, and explanation of economic development, expectations, and associated phenomena. It relies on objective data analysis, relevant facts, and associated figures. It attempts to establish any cause and effect relationship or behavioral association which can help ascertain and test the development of economic theories. Positive economics is objective and fact-based, where the statements are precise, descriptive, and clearly measurable. These statements can be measured against the tangible evidence or historical instances. There are no instances of approval, disapproval in positive economics. Here, an example of positive economics statement. Government provide health care, increase public expenditure. This statement is fact-based and has no value of judgment attached to it. Its validity can be proven and disproven by studying healthcare spending when government provide healthcare. Normative economics focuses on the ideological, opinion-oriented prescriptive value, judgment, and what should be. A statement aimed toward economic development, investment projects, and scenarios. Its goal is to summarize people desirability to various economic development situations and program by asking or quoting what should happen and what ought to be. Normative economics is subjective and value-based, orienting from personal perspective, feeling, or opinion involved in the decision-making process. Normative economics statements are rigid and prescriptive in nature. They often sound political, which is why this economic branch is also called what should be or what ought to be economics. An example of normative economic statement is the government should provide basic health care to all citizens. As you can deduce from this statement, it is value-based, rooted in personal perspective, and satisfies the requirement of what would be. Thank you.